Today we're going to be jumping into how Inside Options has allowed me to grow my money from $30,000 to $90,000 in just over a year. Now, I've been documenting this. There is nearly 100 videos on YouTube in this playlist that you're watching showing you from 30,000 to 90,000. So you can make the decision yourself if this is something you want to invest in. Now, I think it's fantastic. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get involved, what the results are, and also I'm going to show you some real people with real wins. So let's get into this, but disclaimer, please know I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get in. So you can see here, 30,000 we put in, ending 90,000 means we've made $60,000 with Inside Options. Guys, this is absolutely incredible. We doubled our income after 1 year, and now we are still on full pelt. It's really, really amazing. You can see it on this graph, okay? So starting here where we just started to invest, moving all the way up to where you see it at 199.5% growth, which is absolutely insane. So if you are on the fence about this, you can see I've been doing this for over a year, documented on YouTube, and you can see the growth yourself. Now, this is very transparent. You can see the downs. We went from 43% to 29% back up, but over time, it's a long-term game. You can see this moving up, about to hit the 200% mark. And that is all thanks to Inside Options. You can see it at InsideOptions.io with a picture of David himself, okay? He's the visionary behind the SPX program, Inside Options. I decided when I put $30,000 in this to document it all the way from 2024, okay, to show you that you can watch and decide yourself if this is something you want to get into. You don't have to just read a review. You don't have to just listen to hearsay, okay? I've shown you every single trade that's come on, and I'll also show you how to put the trades on, how easy it is once you've learned, okay? It's a very easy method. It's a 3-step. You book a discovery call with David and his team right now, sign up and complete your seamless onboarding process, and then you can literally get started once they teach you how to do the trade. Trade takes about 5 minutes of your day. So the link's down below to do that, guys, but I want to show you the Slack. This is what you get access to once you have paid your membership. And with this video, you're actually going to save thousands of dollars on your membership as well. So you go in here, you can see SPX Trade Alert. This is where he's going to show you what trade to put on. And if you copy exactly what he says, you'll get the same results that I get. If you decide to trade on your own, that's when your results will vary. So you can see here, trade comes in. It tells you the level, the date of the trade. The quantity is going to be entered your matrix. Again, this will be explained to you completely by the team. Okay, and it's going to give you the buy, sell, buy bracket, which means you're wanting your trade to fall within that bracket. And again, this is going to be explained to you within the team. Now, a lot of the times it's going to say skip. That just means go and have a rest. Do not put any trades on. If you decide to trade, you're not going to get the same results I get. You might get better, you might get worse. I don't know. But if you just listen, when he says skip, do not trade. Now, if we go into the win section, you can actually see over 1,124 people in here, and they're all posting wins quite consistently. This person here, you can see 12,000 on the P&L. Okay, as we go up, this 1.1% just in today, that's $1,000. All right, 184 on the day for this person. Okay, this is real wins from real people, and there is chats in here. You can see the replies, people talking about it. Okay, how well they liked it, how well they didn't like it, if it was a struggle. All right, so this is real wins that you can take for yourself. There you go, guys. Do me a huge favor, hit the link down below. Go and speak to the team for absolutely free. Make the decision yourself once you spoke to them. And again, check out them wins, check out the real people. You're going to get full help all the way through. And you're actually going to save some money if you tell them you came from this YouTube channel. So hit that like button, hit subscribe, and the bell to be notified, and I'll see you next time.